Hey everybody, welcome to week 5. I know we're almost there, right? Week 5, week 6, week 7, and there's that short little week 7.5. So really 3 full weeks and then a little half week, and then you're done. All right. So I've really been happy with the level of work I've seen thus far. So just keep it up. Okay. If you feel like you've fallen behind a little bit, know that there still is time. Okay. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. If you have any concerns, if anything comes up, and maybe it's a family issue that's preventing you from getting into Blackboard as much, maybe it's a work-related issue, maybe you're just exhausted and you need someone to talk to just to encourage you, reach out to me, please. I'm here to help you out. I want you to be successful. I'm not just saying that because it's part of my job. I really do mean that, okay? So anything comes up, let me know, okay? Email me. You can also call or text. Remember, it's 585-433-5871. I think before I once said 5781. Sorry about that. 433-5871. But let me know how things are going, okay? So what are we doing now? Okay, we've talked about Microsoft Outlook. We've talked about Microsoft Word, and I saw some really good work last week too. Now we're getting into Microsoft Excel. Now, of the big ones, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, this is probably the one that people know the least. There's some of you who may know it well, but most people, maybe you have limited experience, limited exposure to it. Maybe you've never used it before. So what really is Excel? Well, the lecture spells it out well, but I'll say this. Excel is a program that really helps you organize, manipulate, and read data, okay? Lots of data. It can be all sorts of different kinds of data. It can be numbers. It can be all, whatever. It can be stuff for home. It can be stuff for work. But Excel is something that really excels, pardon the pun, in organizing large amounts of information and then helping you to be able to present that in a graphic form one way or another. So we're going to be getting really into Excel this week. We're going to talk about it as well a little bit next week too, I think. I have to look back at our schedule. So the lectures are going to be very, very helpful, okay? And that's really what we're going to be focusing on this week is the lectures and the discussion board. So discussion board is a really kind of very introductory subject on Excel, and that is how would you use Excel at home? Or you could say on the job. There's a scenario that they give you. Let's say you have 3 kids and one's playing basketball, one's swimming, one's playing soccer. How would you organize things? You can use that one, or I think it says in the instructions, if you have something, a better example that fits better, knock yourself out, use that. So if you use Excel right now and you use it to do some home budgeting, or you use it to create Christmas lists, or you use it at work for some sort of payroll thing or something like that, and you want to bring that up as an example, knock yourself out, that'd be great. Now what I'll say is this, I am going to bring in another discussion thread. It's not going to be Excel related. It'll be fun, you'll enjoy it. So that'll be something you can also comment in, and your comments will count toward the overall number for the week. Now, with the Excel one though, when you're talking about Excel, if you want to earn some extra credit, attach an Excel spreadsheet. So give me that hypothetical scenario or whatever you use right now or something, and attach a copy of it so that we can actually see what it looks like. Let's see what you can do. Let's see what you can put together. I'm not looking for some beautiful thing. I'm not looking for all these bells and whistles and colors. You want to do that? Great. If not, no worries, okay? But if you want extra credits, attach an Excel spreadsheet to your initial post, all right? And remember the rubric, folks. We want to have one initial post, at least 150 words, and at least 3 replies. Okay, what's the other thing we're going to be doing this week? This graphic literacy assessment. What? Okay, what is that? This is part of the ACT assessment. This is a broader workplace-ready certification that you're going to be able to earn here at Bryant Stratton. And we're going to be doing one piece of that certification in this class. And this one's about information retrieval. Okay, this is basically learning how to find information in different kinds of charts and graphs, different kinds of graphic representations. Okay, so it's a test. It's 38 questions. Guess what? It's hard. But guess what? It doesn't count for your overall grade. You need this in order to get that certification. So you do need to get it done. But if you get a 40 on it, it's not going to affect your grade. If you get a 90 and you're super happy, it's not going to affect your grade, okay? Just try to get through this. Try to do the best you can, because this is an important piece of that bigger workplace readiness certificate that you're going to be able to get here at Bryant Stratton. And you may have done this in some of your other classes, I'm not sure, but you will be doing other pieces of it in other classes. So that's the other element, and I think there's a reflection based on that. And so make sure you're following the instructions on the reflection. That's really what we have this week so far. It's last week was a little less work. This week, I don't want to say it's, a little less, but basically we're not trying to pound you with tons and tons of work because we want to keep everybody moving along smoothly and we don't want people to fall behind here. What matters is that you're getting something relevant out of this week's Excel information. As always, folks, let me know if you have questions. Again, you know where to reach me. I'm happy to help if you need my help. Thanks.